In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Twitter account. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So you might have been scrolling through the TikTok application, you're not being able to find the option to delete it because there simply isn't a direct option to delete it, but still I will show you the way. So just go ahead and launch the Twitter application on your device. Once you launch Twitter, tap on the profile icon on the very top left hand side of the screen and expand the menu called Settings and Support at the bottom. Once you expand this menu, select Settings and Privacy again. Once you select Settings and Privacy, on the list of these options, go to Your Account. Once you go to your account, at the bottom you can see the option called Deactivate Account, but you can see we do not have the option to delete our account. But to delete it, you just have to tap on Deactivate Account. Once you tap on Deactivate Account, you can see it says this will deactivate your account, and what you can do is tap on the Deactivate button at the bottom of the screen in order to confirm the changes with your password. The reason I'm telling you to deactivate is because there isn't a direct option to delete it, and how your Twitter account deletes is, let's say that you deactivate your account today. You have the option to reactivate it within the next 30 days, which means 1 month. But if you don't gain access back into your account within those time frames, you will permanently lose access to your Twitter account, which also means that your Twitter account is going to remain successfully deleted. So as you can see, we do not have a direct option to really delete it because since you deactivate it, as I said, it's going to remain inactive for 30 days, and after that your account is going to be permanently deleted if you don't log into your account within that 30 days period of time. It's as simple as that. So hopefully this video cleared your confusion, because you might be wondering how you can delete your account, but this is simply the truth. If you also look at the Twitter's official help support section, they will simply tell you that in order to delete it, you have to deactivate it, and after 30 days it will be deleted. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.